16 horsepower Briggs and Stratton Vanguard twin with vacuum fuel pump.took line from pump to carb off and started the engine, no fuel flow. Replace the vacuum line, no difference, still no flow. Could it be a bad fuel pump?
Hi, this is Russ. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Thanks. Sorry, the live chat is not sworking on my end. Look at the carburetor, if you see a wires goinjg to it. If so, this is a fuel solenoid. It is checked for continuity using a voltometer. If no continuity, replace the solenoid. If it is good, then I believe you do have a bad pump. Briggs sells a rebuild kit for the pump. You want to be certain there is fuel flow from the tank. Remove the line going to the fuel filter, gently pressurize the tank, use air, or blow into the tank while sealing off the fuel flow with your hand or rag. If fuel flow, definite bad pump. Thank you and God bless.
So if that solenoid was bad, wouldn't make a difference if the pump was okay, the solenoid would be stopping the flow from the pump anyway, correct?
The fuel solenoid, if bad, does not allow fuel to enter the carburetor. It is a safety/pollution control in case the float sticks open. Please remember that and after you cop the question, I will reply to further questions if related to the first one. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.